What is it you want your viewers to know or to discover about July 7th?
That's actually the tagline for the title, July 7th, Kill the President. I feel like it's important for someone to dive in the movie, to watch the film, to see the approach that we have.
Haitian-American film director Robinson Lovens on a mission to find the answer an entire nation is asking for years. Who killed the president of Haiti? In a world of political chaos, July 7th movie is his latest motion picture in a quest to uncover the life of Haiti's president, Jovenel Moïse.
We're in 2025. Everybody needs to know, wants to know who killed the president. But for me to answer who killed the president, watch the movie, July 7th. Watch the film and you'll get to know. You'll get your answer. I'm not saying if you're going to find out who killed the president, but watch the movie.
On July 7th, 2021, the 43rd president of Haiti was assassinated at 1 a.m. at his residency in Port-au-Prince. A group of 28 foreign mercenaries, mostly Colombian nationals, allegedly responsible for the brutal killing.
I'm sure you have enough clues in your hands to know who killed your president.
Pedro Moreno played Adam, a spy working with the Bureau but preparing to eliminate anyone who dares standing in his way.
Who killed the president of Haiti? Is that Adam or is it somebody else?
I think it's somebody else, because in the movie you don't see exactly the face of the people who did that, but yeah, definitely he's involved on it. And I think the movie, or the writer of the movie, tried to deliver a message that was a huge organization involved. No, these intelligence agencies from US and from other countries. Everybody confabulate to do this move.
Nearly 4 years after the brutal death of President Jovenel Moïse, Haitian justice system has yet to conduct a fair trial. The alleged killers are still in custody. July 7 movie gives us a glimpse of what it takes to be a spy in a major plot.
Ça passe comme ça. Le pouvoir t'est monté dans la tête.
Dominican-American actor Anthony Alvarez played Fernando, one of the Colombian spies.
It was very interesting just trying to understand what was going on, you know, because the script was given to us in English, but is a very, very good script. And being directed by Robinson and the crew, it was a great experience. That's all I can really tell you about it. It was not a special preparation. It was just following the script and trying to make this story that for me has so much realness to it, and at the same time has a touch of fantasy, you know, that the director's point of view, and I loved it. That's why I loved it. It's not a cruel movie about what really happened. It's a very entertaining film, so I am very happy that
entertaining, but a lot of people are raising expectation about who killed the president of Haiti.
Oh.
I was trying with Pedro, I didn't get an answer. I was trying with Lopez, I didn't get an answer. Am I getting an answer from you, Anthony?
Oh my God, no, you're not getting an answer from me. No. You're not.
July 7 movie brings a message of hope and determination for the entire nation of Haiti. It's more than just a historical recount. It is a narrative that touches on the never unsolved cases by the Haitian Justice Department and the unknown spirituality of a president flirting with voodoo.
Moi pas qu'à connaître après bon Dieu. Qui gagne monde qui est plus pouvoir que moi dans pays ça. C'est moi même qui président.
Parce que bon Dieu le dit.
With a $5 million budget, July 7th movie is promising to make significant impact on a global scale. A story to inspire young filmmakers and encourage the Haitian diaspora to advocate for better democracy in Haiti, the first black nation of the Western Hemisphere. I'm James Veye.